Are you tired of scratched, lost, or broken glasses? Bulky, hard-to-use sun and eyeglass holders? Then you need the Klippy. It's as easy as pinch, clip, hang.
Did you know the average American spends 101 minutes a day in the car? Wouldn't it be great if your customers could see your company logo every time they hit the road? Then you need the Klippy, the perfect, unique, affordable product to promote your brand and with constant marketing exposure. Plus, it's 100% made in the USA. No longer will your promotional investment become someone's unused, unseen, discarded item.